Okay, while I'm downloading my images from this shooting, I will show you how to take them out. So render them or export them or how you want to call it. I think one of the best features in Capture One is the export tool. It's called processing. Here we go on this mark, and here you can find the process recipes. If you are using something other than Capture One, you know that if you want to export one images in several sizes or folder or types, you will have to do it manually. The good thing about using Capture One is that you just have to click it and it will do automatically. As you can see, I have here like hundreds and no hundreds, but few export recipes. For example, the full size or with a logo or with small previews, etc. And all I need to do is to set it up. So let's unclick this one and create new one. Let's call it test. In this test, I can edit if I want to have JPEG, digital negative, PNG, PSD file, or something else. So let's click JPEG. I want to have it quality at 90% with sRGB color profile, resolution of 300 pixels per inch, and I want to have it that the short edge will have about 1200 pixels. I don't want to open it in anything else. Now go to File. In File you can find the subfolder, and here you can type that you want to put it into the subfolders of preview. So at the second you will hit export. Here in output will be created the file, the subfolder with previews, and inside the subfolders there will be all the resized pictures. And that's basically all. You have here the adjustments, so I have no sharpening adjustments, so we can hit sharpening for screen. Metadata, you can check what you want to have in your metadata, and watermark, if you want to have watermark on your pictures, just click it here. Kind, text or image, I'm not using any of this. So if I want to add another export size, so let's click the web page. So the web page will be almost the same. Okay, so I click something else. Okay, here is from my hiking, and it's have the short edge of 2000 pixels. So now I can select one picture randomly and just click process. The good thing about Capture One is that instantly you can see here what amount of time it needs to process it. With one image it's quite fast, but when you are exporting like 600 images, it will take a longer time. And now when we go to the output file, you can see that I have the preview location. It's inside the subfolder, and this second one I don't have the subfolder output, so it will just hit it inside the output. I forgot to use it or to set it right inside. So this is the easiest way how to export it, and I think it's one of the biggest benefit about Capture One, because when you are exporting images for your client, he often needs full size and resize, and probably also sometimes a TIFF format. So you just click all those process recipes. You can hit process, and you will see the amount of time you will need. Also, it will go directly into each subfolder, and when you see the time, you can go for coffee or lunch or something like that. So this is the easiest way to process all your raw files or JPEGs or whatever. So this was the second one from the shooting or this tutorial, and in the next one I'm gonna walk you through all my process, how I edit the pictures and how I select them and so on.